welcome to the Market Made channel. I'm Jess M, owner and founder of The Market Made. Welcome. As you can see, I am not at my home. I'm currently in Puerto Rico, not my normal backdrop, and it's a little loud, a little bit. And this is how I practice self-care and treat myself, traveling. After being very isolated for almost all of 2020 and 2021, my husband and I really needed to get out, and traveling is one of our passions, and it's how we practice self-care. So that brings me to this video's topic on how do you practice self-care? That is my question for you. So step one, figuring that out. So you really need to figure out the ways you de-stress, unwind, and enjoy life more. So let's brainstorm quickly. There's traveling, there's being outside, there is sports, there's walking, there's working out, there's camping, there's glamping, there's hiking, there's all the things. Those are just some of the spaghetti against the wall ideas, but I will include in the description below a link to an actual checklist to help you work through your thoughts. So don't worry, this video actually comes with a DIY self-care checklist that you can download for free. I'm gonna make that. I haven't made it yet, but I'm gonna make it for you. Next step. The next step is creating a routine, and you might think, nope, hard pass, I don't wanna do it. I get that. Trust me, I suck at routines, but they are extremely important, especially for time management. So what I basically do is prioritize what I want my days to consist of. So here it is. Prioritize the following activities. So first one is, what do you need to get done in the day? Walking your dog, doing laundry, dishes, the necessities. The next one is, what do you want to do in that day? Do you want to go to the gym? Do you want to hang out with a friend? Do you want to cook a meal plan? What hobbies do you want to do? And lastly, what do you want to accomplish during the week? And then you want to sprinkle that through your daily routine. Some examples of that would be finally changing that light bulb, reaching out to a plumber, do you need to mow your lawn, those sorts of things. And the third step is listen to your body. And that cues me to go get a drink of water because I am sweaty. This is a ginger peach iced tea with a little bit of pineapple juice and some Bacardi rum. Cheers. It's almost after work, right? I can drink. So back to your body. Listen to it. Ignoring your body is extremely unhealthy, and I feel like we focus so much on the grind culture and rewarding not taking breaks, but you are human. You need to be able to go to the bathroom when you want, eat when you want, rest. You're human. Like, I love grind culture. I work all the time because I thoroughly enjoy it. And yes, like in my past, I haven't really listened to my body, and sometimes even now I don't listen to my body, but you need to. That is extremely healthy to do. Physically, mentally, emotionally, psychologically, listen to it. If you feel tired and your body's just saying, hey, you overexhausted and overextended me and you just need a little bit of a break, go lay down and reset, set an alarm to make sure you don't like nap through the day, and just take a minute and take a break and don't feel bad about it. Listen to your body, do it. Which leads us sort of to our fourth step, which is setting boundaries. Establishing or creating new boundaries is extremely challenging, not really physically, but like mentally, emotionally, psychologically. I hate it, you hate it, we all hate it, most of us hate it. It's very uncomfortable. Even during COVID, when I was around people who didn't have masks, my like default response was, oh, I'm sure it's fine. But in my mind, I'm thinking, oh, I could die. But having this discussion and conversation with you makes me feel like I choose death over this awkwardness. I think we all are taught, for the most part, I mean, obviously some people aren't, but that we need to put others before us. And I feel like that was very apparent who learned this rule and who didn't during COVID and the pandemic. And, you know, I have had some people tell me that I'm being bitchy by setting boundaries. And you know what? My tone might be bitchy, but my boundaries aren't. Set them. And the fifth step, schedule self-care time. You need to schedule in your own happiness. If you don't schedule it in advance, it will be less likely to happen. You can't rely on it being spontaneous. You need to schedule your own happiness on your own time, and don't wait for happiness to come to you. there's the tea. So that is my last piece of DIY self-care advice for this video. If you do like this type of content, please comment below so I know to create more stuff and videos like this. Additionally, to give you an idea of like why I wanted to create this video, self-care has been like really on my mind lately because it's a huge learning curve and it also is constantly changing with you growing as a person. And I basically want to give you tools and help brainstorm with you on how to figure out how to live a better and more well-rounded life. That's what I'm about, people. That is what I'm about. This face. No, but seriously, like I want you guys to, especially business owners and like women working in business and being a professional, you put 40 hours plus usually into your job, and you really need to learn how to take care of yourself and figure out how to do that in a really constructive and healthy way. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. That'd be very nice of you. And remember to subscribe to the Market Made channel and follow me on social media, follow all the things, like all the things, do all the things, help a friend out. And as always, I hope you have an amazing day. Make sure you're listening to your body and figuring out your routine and like how to relieve stress and living a healthy life, okay? I hope you guys have a great day. Thanks for tuning in. Bye. Cheers.